France's presidential SUV looks like a regular crossover until you see what's inside. The interior of the stretched hybrid crossover was designed to showcase the skills of French artisans. Renault has created a one-off Rafale Hyper Hybrid E-Tech for the French president. The 297 horsepower hybrid's body was stretched and armored to keep heads of state safe. Soft closed doors, flag holders, and Bleu Présidence paint feature on the custom SUV. It's unlikely you'd ever find President Trump squashed in the back of a mid-size crossover, but that's exactly what Renault has delivered to France's head of state, Emmanuel Macron. Le Prez's new ride is a Renault Rafale Hyper Hybrid, but it's definitely not like the ones a Renault dealer will sell you. The Rafale is a coupe crossover that's similar in shape to a BMW X2, but rides on a 48mm, 1.9 inches, longer wheelbase. To turn it into France's answer to the White House's beast, Renault's engineers added an unspecified amount of metal between the wheels to improve rear seat space, and plenty of armoring to keep the dignitaries sitting there safe. An exclusive shade of paint, Bleu Présidence, coats the bodywork and features a white and red glitter effect that shimmers in the sunlight. The custom crossover also comes with removable flag holders, a grille in the colors of the French flag, and tricolor badges on each front fender where Alpine badges normally live on the range topper. When it came to the interior, Renault recruited some specialists to help it develop something it feels shows off the best in French style, luxury, and craftsmanship. Their input resulted in the one-off Rafale's rear console, steering wheel, and dashboard getting a coat of black marble trim quarried in the Pyrenees, and the rear control panels being fashioned from dark beech wood by a notable cabinet maker. The custom leather seats feature full ventilation to keep the bossman's crack dry even when he's stressing about Trump's new 30% tariffs on goods from the EU. Plus, there's additional sound insulation, and the rear doors have a soft close function, something normally only seen on luxury cars. Renault doesn't say how much weight the stretching, armoring and marbling added, but the finished car must be nearer 2,700 kilograms, 5,950 pounds, than the 1,700 kilograms, 3,747 pounds, of a stock Rafale PHEV. With that kind of girth, even the top-spec Hyper Hybrid's 297 horsepower, 300 PS, 1.2-liter powertrain is going to have its work cut out, and you can forget matching the production version's 6.4-second 0 to 62 miles per hour, 100 km/h, time, or its 65 miles, 105 kilometers, electric range. Renault has been supplying cars to the French president since 1920, but do you think a mid-size crossover is a suitable vehicle for the French head of state? What kind of car would you have Macron ride in? Leave a comment and let us know.